Hello everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. Today I'm back with another zucchini recipe called zucchini thepla. So before I start this recipe, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and drop hi and say where you from. Thank you. So let's start this recipe. Let's make it together, zucchini thepla. For that you will need a purpose flour or any flour, wheat flour, what you use to make roti, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons oil, sesame seed, ajwain, turmeric powder, red chili powder and shredded zucchini. Water as desired to make roti consistency. Make roti dough, roll it in a circle shape and cook on tawa with ghee or oil and enjoy this delicious zucchini thepla with side of yogurt, pickle or chutney. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and comment and see you soon with another recipe. Bye. Annyeong. Follow rest of method as you can see. And yeah, if you would like to see any vegetarian recipe on my channel, please do let me know in a comment. Appreciate. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.